Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to compress and unzip files on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, we're gonna compress our files or folders. So open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. And now navigate to the location of the file or folder you want to compress. Now, click once on the item to select it. On the other hand, if you want to compress multiple file items, then you can select all of them. Or if you want to select them individually in a group, then you can hold down the command button on your keyboard and click them one by one. That's pretty cool, right? Now, normally, right-click on them. If you don't know how to right-click on them, then you have to click Ctrl key on your keyboard and on the trackpad. So if you click on these two buttons together, you will see this window. And now, normally select Compress. And here you can see that these files are being compressed. And here you can see that a file named archive.zip is being created. So I'm cancelling the process and doing it again for a smaller file. So here is the compressed file. Now we are gonna unzipping this file or extracting this file. Normally right click on it again, and to extract it, double click on it. And this is the file. And now you can access uncompressed files or folders. Actually, macOS's built-in archive utility handles both zipping and unzipping tasks automatically. So guys, that's it. You have successfully learned how to compress and unzip files on your MacBook and how to extract them as well. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.